In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add your EBT card to Amazon Prime. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this process through the Amazon mobile app or through the website as I'm doing here. The process is exactly the same. All that you have to do to link your EBT card to Amazon is to first sign into your account. Now head into the payment options for your account. If you are doing this process on the website, all that you have to do is go to the menu at the right side of the screen and then select See All Account. You will be redirected to your account management page, and what you have to do here is scroll down until you find the Payments category. Under Payments, select Your Payments and you should see a list of all the cards and accounts that you have attributed to Amazon. Select Add a Payment Method, and at the bottom you are going to see the option to link an EBT card. All that you have to do is select Add an EBT card and input the credentials about it. As you can see, you can use the name on the card and you have to input the card number. As long as you include valid and legitimate information over here, the EBT card will be linked to your Amazon account and you can manage it at any time from your account page. Unfortunately, I do not have an EBT card on hand to demonstrate this process fully, but as long as you include valid and legitimate information over here, the card is going to be linked to your Amazon account. You can then look for EBT eligible items over here by searching EBT, and you will be able to browse through various items that accept SNAP EBT cards. Make sure that it is linked under your payment methods and you will be able to buy and shop on Amazon using your EBT card. I hope I was able to help you on how to add EBT card to Amazon Prime. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.